Hi, this is Ashley.
And this is Mike.
So we are still in GCQ. However, we are going to unpack this. It is the Smartmi Fan 2S. Alright, so here are the items inside the box. We have the base.
And then we also have the fan blade and assembly.
We have the cord.
Also with the some tools and the lock for the fan blade.
And the motor housing. And also the tube.
Or the body. And lastly, the manual, which is in
Chinese.
Chinese. Alright, so let's start with the assembly.
Okay.
All right. So just want to let you know regarding the plug.
Plug
It's our usual plug in the Philippines. It's a
to
two-prong plug or flat plug. All right. So let's try to power it on. So you just tap it once
for level 1 speed.
or change the speed. So this is for speed 2, and then again for speed 3, and then speed 4. If you want to turn it off, just long press. And then if regarding the oscillation, you can just tap here to change to make it steady or have it oscillate.
It's 180 degrees, right? Is it
Or 120, I think.
120?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then tap it again.
Okay, so aside from operating the fan 2S manually, you also have an option to download an app to operate it in your phone or any other devices.
Okay, so let's launch the Mi Home app. Now we'll try to search for the fan. So let us just turn it on and then try to add the device. Next, um, as of now, it is able to scan the fan. So let's try to click on it and then try to tick on operation confirmed, and then click on next. Oh, it's asking for the password. Hold on. And then click on next. And now it's now pairing with the fan. Alright, device is now added, and I can select which room shall I assign it. Next, I can rename the device, but I'll do it later. And also share it with a friend, and I'll also do it later. And click on agree and continue. Alright, so now we can control the fan using the device. I mean the app. So let's try to turn it off. Then we'll try to turn it back on.
Cool.
And then I can also change the speed.
This is number 4.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What else can we do? Well, this is also integrated with Google Home. So let's try to open Google Home. And there you go. It's now linked as the name as fan. So from here I can also turn it off or turn it on. Also, I can do voice commands. Turn off fan.
Okay, turning off the fan.
Turn the speed of the fan to 2.
Here's a matching YouTube result.
I might need to do,
Further calibrate it.
I mean, find the correct sentence for this one.
Yes, because Google Home also has their own keyword, I think, whenever you command them to do something like that.
Yep. Turn off the fan.
Okay, turning the fan off.
Turn on the fan.
Got it, turning the fan on.
Then turn the speed.
Sorry, I don't know how to open that, but I can open many other apps for you.
So let's go back to the Mi Home app. Let's see what else we can do from here. So we can set the schedule when to turn it on or off. Also, oh, it has a firmware update as of now. And then additional settings. What else? Okay. And yeah, you can do also some automation if you're fond of it. Like if you come home, you can automatically turn it on, or if you leave the house, you can automatically turn it off, or some customized voice commands.
Can we look? I think I've seen standard there. Or what's that? Neutral? Is it? Oh, it's natural.
Okay, let's try natural.
I think this is what they describe as the air window or window air.
Yeah, it feels like it's a gust of wind.
Okay. That's yeah. Feels like so.
Or we can adjust the speed.
That's a number 2, right?
Now it's number 2.
Can you turn it on to number 3? Wow. There's no sound. I mean, it's very minimal. Can you do it on a number 4? The sound is very minimal too. For natural. If you choose a natural.
Okay. All right. Just to add, there are some advanced options here on the Mi Home app. If you just swipe up, and you can see here regarding the oscillation angles, like I can turn left, then turn right. Again, go back to turn left. Also, there is a timer, and then you can also, I think this sound is more on the beep. Yes. Then let's turn it back on, and then I'm not sure with the light. I think the light is the one with the LED lights at the back of the fan. And then there's also this child lock. But let us also try this oscillating angle. Okay. So this one is 30 degrees. Is it? Okay, there we go. It's now on 30 degrees. Next, 60. Well, of course it will get wider. And we have until the maximum of 120. Alright, so we might as well try to play it around more. But if you have questions regarding this product, you can comment on our
Comment
video
box.
or comment box.
Yeah.
And also, if you're interested with this product, you can also check the description.
Yes. So that's it.
Alright,
Thank you so much for watching and have a good one.
that would be all.
Bye bye.